What is going on, Farlama fans? Today we are playing Lachlan's Trio Cup. Cue the intro. Alright guys, keep farming up on mats. We need a lot of hard mats for endgame. Yeah, just leave some barrels for me as well. You guys already have full shield. Yeah, we just scored 2 points from top 20. Alright, yeah, no problem. Just as long as we don't engage, we'll be fine. What? CSM, how'd you get there that fast? Alright, yeah, the people are probably gonna be incoming right now, so I'm just gonna hide in the risky real estate thing. Yeah, I got my eyes on them. I'm just gonna hide behind the stair rail thingy. Alright, yeah, just keep hiding. As long as they don't see you, you should be fine. Are you guys good? Okay, yeah, we just reached top 25. Yeah, I'm coming in right now. Guys, I don't think it's a good idea for you to be so far away from me. You guys will be in a tough situation there. Wait, what? What happened? I told you guys it wasn't a good idea to go away. Oh, come on, not you too, CSM. Wait, they shook you down? No, I'm ditching. I'm gonna go find a bush or something. Oh shoot, they found me. Alright, I got this. Bro, these crash pads better come in handy. Oh, dang it, I messed that up. Yeah, no, I'm just gonna swim away and try and find something else to hide in. I'm gonna hide behind that rock right there. Oh my god, dude, this is so tense. Oh my god, I can't believe they don't see me. Oh. What? Where did that come from? What? Oh my god! What? No! Dude, that doesn't even make sense. What? Of course, it was a bush camper. Anyways, that was the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Consider giving this video a like and subscribing.